Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining our AVT webinar series. My name is Sailor Chaw, and I'm one of the NetSuite solution consultants here at AVT. I'll be your host for this webinar, along with my colleague Ross Leahy, our senior NetSuite solution consultant, whom I will be introducing shortly to present and talk about AVT's manufacturing costing analysis bundle and how it can help your business reduce production costing errors. Ross will be demonstrating how it can provide the analytical information required to meet this critical need. This is the third series in the lineup of many webinars AVT will be presenting. These webinars are designed to provide training and enabling our NetSuite customers to better understand NetSuite products and its functionalities. A quick overview about AVT. We are an Oracle NetSuite solution provider established in 2006 and have since been implementing and supporting the deployment of Oracle NetSuite across many different industries. Our head office is based in Sydney with staff in other states to better support our clients across Australia and New Zealand. With our Oracle NetSuite being a pure cloud-based solution, we have also been able to provide expertise and custom solutions to those customers overseas, enabling them to leverage their NetSuite investment. To ensure we keep the flow of this presentation, we will have all attendees muted. For any questions, please use the Q&A section in this webinar. You will find the Q&A button below. We will answer and publish all relevant questions on our AVT website after this webinar. All participants will receive an email with a link to this recording. Why are we presenting this webinar? For manufacturers, there is little more important information than that relating to production costs. The wrong costings can lead to a loss of production opportunities, customers, or the very business itself. This webinar will demonstrate how the AVT Manufacturing Costing Analysis Bundle can provide the analytical information required to meet this critical need. This webinar is part of a series from the AVT Education Business Unit that can support your staff to better understand NetSuite and its functionality. I would now like to introduce my colleague Ross Leahy, who will be your presenter for this webinar. Ross is one of our senior NetSuite solution consultants with considerable experience in implementing and deploying the Oracle NetSuite solution. Ross, I'll hand it over to you now. To watch the full webinar, simply head to the webinar section on our website at abvt.com.au/NetSuite-webinars. You will then find the link to this specific webinar and many others. A direct link to this webinar can also be found in the description below. Fill in your details and you will receive the full webinar video link.